Love is important, right? Jesus thought love was important. He said, love God, love your neighbor, love yourself. And we could expand and say, love humanity, but not love humanity in the way Charlie Brown said. I love all humanity. It's people I don't like. No, the Bible says how you love God is expressed by how you love people. Right? If you don't love people, you don't love God. Because we're all connected, right? I'm always amazed by people in metaphysics who have spent years coming to metaphysics and listening to lectures and all that, and they're as grumpy as can be. Anybody ever see that? Just negative, argumentative. It's like, are you listening to anything? But you know what? We can listen, but it's got to go from the head to the heart, doesn't it? Head full of knowledge does not make one awakened, right?